Flue gas venting is not ordinary plumbing. It is a life safety application, and mistakes can put people at risk. For years, plumbing-grade systems were used in applications they were never designed, tested, or certified for. That's why UL 1738 matters. It is the dedicated standard for flue gas venting, with more than 50 material and performance tests. IPEC System 1738 is the certified solution, engineered PVC and CPVC that passes over 50 rigorous tests to meet the UL 1738 standard. Our online training course explains exactly how we got here, the standards, the risks, and the real-world consequences of getting it wrong. You'll gain practical knowledge you can use in the field, from appliance categories and solvent welding to supports, markings, repairs, and technical resources. Engaging, interactive lessons let you learn at your own pace and on your own terms. You'll finish with more than a completion training card. You'll understand what makes System 1738 the reliable and right choice for flue gas venting, why it exists, and how to apply it confidently on every job. Protect the installation. Protect the occupants. Build confidence. Enroll today.